Harley's always vibrating the most. I don't trust them in the van. Kids get used to the van, and then I got candy. Must be in a break in it. Know what I mean? Yep, I know exactly what you're thinking.
Concrete.
Concrete. There he is.
At least you figured it out.
Oh, I already know.
I know.
I got a wrench on the back of my truck, bro, trying to follow too close. You know what I mean? Suddenly ran too many fucking times my truck, dude. I love it, man. Everybody backs up. They're like, oh, I ain't getting too close. That thing's off, I don't know what's in it. It's gotta be heavy because it's up there.
Magnet.
Magnet. Magnet.
Yeah. Mine, I welded mine on.
Nice.
Well, try to teach. I have a big ass gear in the back of my truck. I thought I was put it on the tailgate.
Yeah.
Have a good night. Woo! Whoop, whoop. Aaron never looks back.
No.
We always go forward.
Forward. Don't look around. I'm only getting. Alright, listen to that bitch back
What? You talking shit? You wanna go? Oh, you just looked at it. Oh, come on top of your car. It's a truck. Get it right. What is it? Remember that one guy? Remember that one guy? It's a truck. It's a tuck. It's a cup. Remember? He was so drunk. He looked at it. Oh, hopefully he says something because we're heading that way, right?
You probably don't have a car. I gotta pee anyways.
He'll be there in 10 minutes. Cool.
Really?
Yep.
Okay.
Sounds good. We're at Kearney and Kansas. We'll be there. See, I got this one. Want to see my new 360? You're like, oh, maybe I should get one of those.
Yes, who's on? There's that Cobra.
This is open for race right here. Look at all that.
Oh, I've raced plenty on it.
Chucky's out of business. Where's your blinker, bitch?
I ran out of fluid. Half ton, the 98 don't